guys, welcome to Oliveboard. This is Aditya. Paytm आप में से भी काफी लोग यूज कर रहे होंगे for the mobile recharge, bill payments or for making the payment on the shop by using the QR code facility. Otherwise आपने देखा जरूर होगा that Paytm is one of the most preferred payment acception method by the merchant on the different shops, right? Now RBI came with lots of restrictions on the Paytm, especially on the Paytm payment bank. What are that restrictions and how that is going to be very important for you as a customer and as an aspirant for the questions in your upcoming examinations and interview. तो उसके ऊपर बात करेंगे. 31st of January 2024 Reserve Bank of India issues this guideline. According to the guideline, now the Paytm payment bank will not be allowed to add any customers, new customers, even to accept any new deposits. कोई भी नया deposit accept नहीं कर पाएंगे. अच्छा, this thing is not started from now. The main scenario was started from the year 2022. So actually, first time RBI issues a guideline on 11th of Jan 2022. RBI said Paytm Payment Bank to stop onboarding new customers, that do not add a new customer, but you can accept the deposit from the previous customers. तो पहले जो customers हैं उनसे आप accept कर सकते हो deposit, but you cannot add new customer. This was the order in 2022. Reason was comprehensive system audit report of Paytm was not fine. They were not following the KYC guideline properly according to the Reserve Bank of India. So RBI made this decision in 2022. तो पहले मना किया था RBI ने कि भाई नए कस्टमर्स ऐड मत करो. Now on 31st of January 2024, the order issued by Reserve Bank of India, according to that, no further deposits or credit transaction or top up shall be allowed in the customer account, prepaid instrument, wallet, FASTag, national mobility card, that is common mobility card, etc. Nothing will be provided by the bank after 29th of February 2024. मतलब almost हर एक function जो है बैंक का वो RBI ने मना कर दिया. देखो पेमेंट बैंक है, पेमेंट बैंक cannot provide lending facility. They are not allowed to provide loan. They are not allowed to provide overdraft facility or loan facility. Now, if you are confused, no sir, we have seen that Paytm Payment Bank of providing loan. They do collaboration with some other NBFCs or with some other bank to provide the lending facility. They can't provide by their own on their own documentation. उनको नहीं allowed होता है ये. Getting my point? So now they will not be able to accept deposit as well. Deposit भी accept नहीं कर पाएंगे now. But RBI allowed that the money which is already deposited by the customer, they will be allowed to use that deposit. So आपका पैसा safe है. If your amount is there in the bank, you can use it. Even after 29th of February, you will be able to use that amount. Even the amount is there in the wallet or FASTag, that amount you will be able to utilize. New recharges you can't make. नए recharges नहीं कर पाओगे. New amount you cannot deposit, that will not be allowed. Previous amount which was deposited, that can use. RBI said, apart from this, bank will not be allowed to provide the facility like Aadhaar enabled payment system, IBPS, UPI, etc. तो ये सारी facilities भी आपकी काम नहीं करेंगी. Now nodal account of 19 Communication, which is the parent company of Paytm as well as Paytm Payment Bank, RBI set them to clear the transactions of merchant. देखो आप शॉप पर जब पेमेंट करते हो तो वो पेमेंट पहले पेटीएम के पास जाता है, then it get properly credited to the customer. तो वो उनके वॉलेट में होता है, then it transfer to the customer account. एक प्रोसेस होता है. So settle the amount of all the merchant by 15th of March 2024. क्लियरली कहा है कि 15 मार्च 2024 तक जो भी पेमेंट है मर्चेंट्स का जो पाइपलाइन में है उसको आप कंप्लीट करो, क्लियर करो. यू हैव 15 डेज एडिशनल टाइम एंड डू नॉट एक्सेप्ट द न्यू पेमेंट. नया पेमेंट आप एक्सेप्ट नहीं करोगे और पुरानी पेमेंट को आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, सेटल करना पड़ेगा बाय 15th of March 2024. अभी तक आरबीआई ने ये नहीं कहा है दैट RBI is cancellation of license because that is defined under section 5B of Banking Regulation Act. So RBI have not used that section anywhere in the statement. RBI ने use किया section 35A का. So if you are an interview candidate going for the IBPS interview, you will definitely get the question, why Paytm barred by Reserve Bank of India? What is payment bank? What are the conditions to start a payment bank? What is the difference between payment bank and commercial bank? So functions you should know properly. Section 35 of Banking Regulation Act deals with what are the conditions. These will be the very important question. We are going for IBPS interview. So if you are preparing for the IBPS interview, you can get our batches on the Oliveboard platform. You can join the batch by using the coupon code Aditya to avail the maximum discount of 45% to 50%, which is maximum possible discount on the interview courses. So you can join it for preparation of 2024 banking examination. You can join GA Daksh batch, which will be complete solution for full general awareness at one place. So if you feel that the video was worth watching in the last time, please like the video, share with your friends so they will also able to get update with this news. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video.